Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today I'm making a replacement pair of angel earrings. My mom lost one of her little angels with the ribbon wings. I'll link up that tutorial below. I tweaked the design a little bit to make it with wire wings, so I'll show you how to make those. You're going to use 24 gauge wire, and I have seed beads and a 6mm pearl bead, and basically we're going to put 12 beads on the wire. So we're just going to take the seed beads and put 12 on the wire. So I have 12 seed beads on there, and then for the last one we want to put both wires through, but I want one wire to be longer than the other, so we're going to take the seed bead and put both wires through the seed bead just like that. We need one side to be shorter, so 2 to 3 inches, and then the other side we're going to pull it up. So just do that and then pull it so it's quite taut. You can curve it around a little bit more, and then what you're going to do is actually bend this one over to form the wings, and this one we're going to put the head bead on there. So we're just going to take the end of the pen to form the wings, and we're just going to take this, bring it around here, and we're just going to compare it to see it's about the same size. And then we're going to go on this side, we're going to form like a kind of infinity sign, just back like that. Again, you can just check they're about the same width apart. There maybe need to be a little bit bigger, so we can just bring that one out a bit and bring that one out a bit. And then we're going to do the infinity sign again. We're going to have double wings, so we're just going to put the pen back in there, bring it around, and around here again, and bring it around. So we have double wings. I'm just going to bring this one, and I'll just wrap that one around to one side, and then we can clip it. Wrap it around as many times as you want, and then we're going to take this one and stick the head on there, and we're going to make a loop at the top. So just bend it over, get your round pliers, bring it around, hold it with your flat pliers, bring it around, full turn around, and then you can also bring this one to the back to make it more secure, and then wrap this around the other side of the wing. So just around here, bring it down here, clip it, pinch it in, and then you can spread the wings a little bit. So just bring this one, bring that one down, and that one up a bit, and this one too. Just spread them out a little bit, adjust them so they're well centered, and then we're going to put on the earring hook. So just take the hook. These are surgical steel earring hooks, and there you have your beautiful beaded angel earrings. And I'm going to bring them to my mom. My mom has always been the best model for my jewelry, my #1 fan, and big promoter of my work. She also used to help me selling at craft shows and watching my daughter while I was selling at shows. She has a huge collection of my jewelry from over the years, so this tutorial is for her. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.